to week 2. We're going to go through what is due this week. So we have the discussion. This week we are going to be discussing medical necessity. So the discussion is you are working as a registrar, and the hospital you work at is having clinical trials for drugs to treat back pain. You know insurance will not cover a drug in the experimental phase. As you register a Caucasian male, 34 years old, you believe he is fabricating some of the answers that would qualify him for the study. You can see that he is in pain, but he technically not would not be suited for the study yet. He would benefit from the medication. What do you do and why? So, as you're thinking about this scenario, just remember that you are the registrar working, just registering the patient, and usually that's taking demographic information and also asking questions related to the visit that would qualify him. So, there's no right or wrong answer on this. It's more of a discussion. The next thing is the medical necessity scenarios. So you are going to want to open the assignment and we'll go through this. So on this, you're going to want to use the AHEMA VLab. So you're going to be looking at these two particular cases. What it's asking you to do is provide a description of each of the code and do you agree with it or not? Um, do these codes support medical necessity? And if so, why? Why not? Um, these have actually already been answered. So what you're doing is basically like auditing the scenarios. So when you go to review this, just make sure that you're looking at the template because these are the answers that um, somebody have already put in there. You're just looking at the AHEMA VLab to say, does the documentation support the codes that somebody already put in here? Why or why not? The next thing is the reimbursement job aid. So this is just the research summary. So you are going to be writing a brief summary of the source that you identified, which should include the title and the author, include the credentials, what is the main point of your source, summarize the source by stating all of the main points or main ideas, and then why is this source a good choice for you to help complete the job aid. And then the last one is just a weekly review. So this is basically you're just going to be going through a quiz. And then the extra practice is at the bottom. That is definitely optional, but I would encourage you to do that just as extra practice to see how you're doing with the scenarios. If you have any questions, let me know, and I will also be sending out some information about the live session this week, so stay tuned.